Discover the magic of the first conditional. Affirmative sentences unveiled. Hello, learners. Today, we're going to dive into the world of conditionals, specifically the first conditional. We'll explore how to form affirmative sentences using this conditional. By the end of this video, you'll be confidently creating and understanding the first conditional in the English language. Before we start forming sentences, let's understand what the first conditional is. The first conditional is used when we talk about real and possible situations in the future. It's a structure we use when we want to express that if a certain condition is met, then a particular action or result will follow. The structure is quite simple. It's if plus present simple, plus will plus base form of the verb. Remember, the order of the clauses can be reversed, with the if clause coming second, after the will clause. When this happens, you don't need to use a comma. Now let's see how we can form affirmative sentences using the first conditional. The first clause starts with if, followed by the subject and a verb in the present simple. Then, we add a comma, followed by the subject, will, and the base form of the verb. Here are some examples to illustrate this. If it rains, I will stay at home. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. Remember, you can also reverse the order of the clauses. I will stay at home if it rains. You will pass the exam if you study hard. When using the first conditional, keep these things in mind. 1. Be careful with verb forms. Use the present simple after if, and the base form of the verb after will. 2. You can swap the if clause and the will clause without changing the meaning. 3. Don't forget to put a comma if the if clause comes first. And there you have it. You now know how to form affirmative sentences using the first conditional. With a little practice, you'll be using this structure naturally in no time. Keep practicing, stay curious, and always remember, learning English is a journey, and every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to fluency. See you in our next video.